Fluent English practice. Good morning, Alex. Are you ready for hiking?
Almost. I just need to pack my bag.
Don't forget water and snacks.
I have them right here. What about sunscreen?
Yes, it's a sunny day.
What time are we leaving?
Around 8.
It's already 7:30.
Oh no, hurry up, we'll miss the bus.
I can't find my shoes.
Which ones?
My hiking shoes.
They're under the sofa.
Oh, great. Thanks.
You always lose something before we go out.
That's true. It's my hiking tradition.
Wow, the bus is crowded today.
Everyone wants to enjoy the weekend.
Look at that view outside. So many trees.
Yes, nature looks beautiful this morning.
I can't wait to start walking on the trail.
Same here. How long is the hike?
About 6 kilometers.
That's not too bad. We'll take it slow.
Slow and steady, that's the key.
Did you bring the map?
Yes, and I also downloaded an offline one.
Smart. Just in case we lose signal.
Exactly. Always be prepared.
I think this will be a fun day.
I agree. Fresh air, good company, and exercise. Here we are, Green Hill Trail.
Wow, it looks amazing.
The air feels so fresh.
Yes, I can smell the pine trees.
Let's take a photo before we start.
Good idea. Smile.
Perfect. Now, let's begin our adventure.
Wait, which way do we go?
The sign says, trail starts this way.
Okay, then let's follow it.
Remember, stay on the path.
Of course. I don't want to get lost.
Look, there's a small stream.
The water is so clear.
Nature is magical.
Yes, this is better than any city park.
Listen, Alex, do you hear the birds?
Yes, they sound so happy.
I love this peaceful sound.
Me too. It's like nature's music.
Look at that big tree.
It's so tall, maybe 100 years old.
Wow, that's older than both of us together.
True.
I like how the sunlight shines through the leaves.
It feels like a green tunnel.
Let's rest here for a few minutes.
Good idea. I need a sip of water.
Don't drink too fast.
Why not?
You'll finish it before we reach the top.
All right. I'll save some.
Okay, now it's getting steeper.
Yeah, I can feel my legs burning.
Come on, don't give up now.
I'm not giving up. I'm just taking small steps.
You can do it. One step at a time.
This is harder than I thought.
But look how close we are to the top.
Are you sure? It looks far.
Don't look up too much. Just keep walking.
Easy for you to say.
I believe in you.
Okay, step, breathe, step, breathe.
That's the spirit.
You are my personal trainer now.
And you're my slow student. Finally, let's take a break.
Yes, I'm starving.
What did you bring for lunch?
Just a sandwich and an apple.
I brought some cookies. Want one?
Sure, you always bring something sweet.
Hiking is better with snacks.
I agree. Oh wow, look at that view from here.
Mountains, trees, and clouds. Perfect combination.
Let's take another photo.
Okay, this one's for Instagram.
Hashtag Fluent English Hikers.
That's a good one. Hello.
Hi there. Beautiful day for a hike, right?
Yes, it's perfect weather.
Where are you two heading?
To the top of Green Hill.
Nice. It's about another hour from here.
Thanks for the info. Have a great hike.
You too. Stay safe.
People are so friendly out here.
Yeah, hikers always help each other.
That's what I like about hiking.
Nature brings people together.
Oh no, I think it's starting to rain.
I told you to bring a raincoat.
I thought the weather was clear today.
It was. But mountains change fast.
What should we do now?
Let's stand under that big tree.
Good idea, but not too long.
Why?
Lightning can strike trees.
Oh, right. Let's move to that small cabin over there.
Run.
This feels like a movie scene.
Yeah, the fast and the wet.
The rain stopped. Look, a rainbow.
Wow, it's so colorful.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, all together.
Nature is full of surprises.
Everything smells fresh now.
Yes, like the earth just woke up.
That was worth getting wet for.
Totally. Let's keep going before it rains again. Look at the town below. Everything looks so small.
It feels peaceful up here.
Yes, like we're above all the noise.
Let's sit for a while and just enjoy this.
Good idea. Listen to the wind. It's so calming.
I feel relaxed and proud.
We worked hard and reached our goal.
Hiking is not just walking, it's learning patience.
True. It teaches teamwork and balance.
And how to breathe properly while climbing.
That too. Okay, time to go back before it gets dark.
Going down is easier.
But be careful. It can be slippery.
Got it. Step by step.
Do you hear the river again?
Yes, it sounds louder now.
Let's stop there and wash our hands.
The water is cold but nice.
It feels refreshing after the long walk.
I could stay here forever.
Me too, but the bus won't wait for us.
That was an amazing day.
Yes, my legs are tired but my heart is happy.
I'm going to sleep so well tonight.
Same here. What was your favorite part?
The rainbow after the rain.
Mine was reaching the top.
We should go hiking again soon.
Absolutely. Maybe next weekend.
Deal. Next time, I'll bring more snacks.
And a raincoat.
Yes, definitely a raincoat.